Can I do the intro?
Yes, lad.
Hello everybody and welcome to another Curly Gaming video. On today we are going to be playing a ranked game in, guess what guys? Rainbow Six Siege. This is a game where you shoot people all the time.
Yeah.
It's great. Today on our team we have Willman45, a sexy guard, Josh, he's alright,
guys.
and Sam, the midget.
That's offensive.
Three companions put together is just, I've lost track. Josh.
Companions, are not even friends.
Alright, so today guys, I thought
Could
that
have it,
I thought in the custom match you
I
didn't
can
see
do
how
this, Josh.
oh shit, okay, go on then.
I can do this. Sorry, it's pear.
Who banning?
Oh shit.
Uh,
No
uh,
ban.
Put together
No,
is
we're
an
not no
unstoppable
banning.
force, guys.
Why ran in
Nothing
Blitz?
can
What's
stop us
I've got nothing
even
against
in
the guy.
ranked. No, Blitz is a bumhole.
Shit. Right, so this is basically just take this as a tutorial on how to play ranked guys, alright? Cool.
It's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
are we having
Alright guys, this is a pro tip. Please use Gridlock's underrated operator in the chat.
Wait, Josh, tell me how to use Yi. I feel like a gun's shy.
Mate, don't actually piss me off.
What gun? What attachments do you have on a gun? What, like?
I don't memorise it. I don't read it for every
Versus
time I go to bed,
angle.
lad. I don't know what you're on about. Trying to bait him, innit? Got to
Well,
get the
it's
angles on
Sam,
the.
yeah,
You see on the face cam. Got to get the angles. Yes. Oh yeah, no.
Is
I
it
don't.
just
Oh
me
no.
that you like-
She's down. She's down. She's
Do
down.
like leans?
Yeah, cool,
Like
mate.
when you. Okay. Oh yeah. I just
Who's
got a
this?
Big.
Yeah.
me.
Piss off. This is my sweet little blood clot.
Yeah, sure.
What are you doing? Alright, see you
Call
later, mate.
Spider-Man.
Hopefully you fall off. Wait, what? Oh no, she didn't. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Oh, someone just died.
Well,
Yeah,
he's a
I
mouth.
saw
He's
that.
just blown bomb. Oh my god, he's one shot me to the head.
We are the boys. We are
That's
the
Josh.
boys. We are the boys.
Oi. No, Sam, I need you to spectate me.
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's have a
What?
go. Let's have a go.
Where?
Actually, no, you
Yeah,
you
he's
can be
right
my
in the back,
canary.
I really wouldn't.
If you die, it'll be fine.
Yeah, it was next to B.
Right, Josh, you go. I'll do.
Swear, I'm a fat cunt, so I can.
Yeah, I don't know why he made that hole. It really hasn't gone well.
Oh
Right,
no, we
really,
need to go
36
in,
seconds.
Josh.
I've not got fucking bomb. She has.
So,
I can't do shit, Paul.
no, just go in.
Oh,
Just
just
go
go
in.
on with it, man.
Need to get back.
He's have to
Turn
go in
around.
and kill some peeps.
Oh my god, I literally looked her in the fucking skull for about 10 seconds. Oh my god, guys, like and subscribe.
Well,
Well,
that
yeah.
won't panic. He's an after, aren't you?
So shy as dude.
Why is he not
Oh,
going?
he's such a retard. Why is he running away? Alright guys, so this round was a little tutorial. We're just showing you how not to play the game. And the next
Yeah.
round, that's what you take note of. Get a notepad and pen out now guys, because you will be needing it. Because we're about to get some serious Rainbow Six Siege gameplay right now.
Oh, you will get some problems soon.
Oh, I'm gonna just
Hey.
throw it. Oh, yeah, I might have destroyed my own drone. No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I did. I've still got one, boys.
Oh
Inside
my
access.
god, I thought that, I didn't know that was someone. I
Little
have
little
the-
rug. What the fuck? Oh, there's Mirror. Yeah, go in.
Josh, it's pronouncing Myra.
Well, I'll just put some fire there.
Little pre-fire for the boys.
I really don't want to have a go at this mirror.
Yep.
Yeah. He's behind the mirror. Over it. Right there.
Oh no! I swear, the iron bars. The iron bars weren't there. I'd have had it.
Of course.
This
The second I
thermite,
look away,
this
he
thermite's
kills.
got like 10 brain cells. Collaborative.
And the Twitch. The Twitch ran in front of me about 5 times.
Collaborative.
Oh shit! I'm not gonna kill.
He's there.
Oh,
Oh!
maybe I was wrong. Maybe this
I
thermite
think
is
you could-
better than sliced bread, lad.
Any plan there? Yes,
Oh,
you
you're
can.
going for it. It's actually sort of a good place to put it inside my body.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a
Sam,
safe.
your big juicy
human.
thighs.
Sam, at least you're being not wasted. Like it's like compost, isn't it?
Is it? Oh no.
Oh, that's such a tactic.
This guy's smart.
Yeah.
That's. Don't need to do anything else.
I dissed thermite earlier. Now I'd sign with my
Wouldn't do it
esports team. Killer Gaming, esports collaboration. Put like and subscribe, guys, in the comments. Don't actually like or subscribe. Just put it in the chat if you want me to make an esports team.
What are we calling?
Oh my god!
Oh, bro,
What the
do
fuck?
not.
One more. Go on.
I hate it when you leave so early. It's literally 10:20.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Well, I know what it. Oh,
Guys,
I know what it is.
guys, this is mad. It's 22, 22, 22, 22. That is mad.
Oh,
I mean,
there's another
22,
mirror.
22.
The mirror's done this.
I
I'm
just go
sorry,
through
what?
TikTok. I just
No,
go
he
through
shot me for-
TikTok and it really annoys me because there's people
shot
that
me
blow
for
up
lying
and they're not.
down.
They're,
Ah!
they're absolutely terrible.
Alfie, no one gives a shit
And I
about
like
your TikTok.
quality
Shut up, man.
content.
Alfie, shut up,
Yeah,
man.
shut-
I'm trying to play
oh, you-
Rainbow.
Will's just dropped in.
Going
yeah,
into
my
where he
beast.
just
I'm a
died.
beast.
I'm a bitch. I'm a boss. I'm a bush and a bash and a shine. I'm a boss. I'm a bitch. I'm a
really-
boss.
Oh, you downed one.
It
Wait,
don't
it's not
need
like
to.
he's gonna-
Okay, shoot through the thing you can't shoot through.
We got Willman45 on the mic. He's dead.
And he's dead.
We got a winner for
He's
life.
dead.
Aiden68. Let's fucking go, baby.
What's his
I want
plan?
that kill.
Let's see this
Yeah,
Twitch
push.
gameplay. Oi, that's some bad boy Twitch gameplay.
That's his plan.
That was a horrific free call.
Nah, this Twitch got this.
They're all
Has he
getting
now?
cocky now.
Yes.
Maybe for good reason.
Yes,
you know?
do it. Oh yeah,
He's
go
got
on.
19 health.
Go on, go on.
There's 28 seconds.
Go on.
And he's just shot in the head. That wouldn't go in.
Do it, Will. I'll do it, I'll risk it all.
Yeah, let's do it with him.
No, me and
Oh,
Josh
they're
are
shooting.
speed.
A lot of
I did shoot, man.
I've
Oi, Will, dock me, dock me, dock me, dock me,
Oi,
dock me,
down
dock me,
I'm down.
dock me,
Lost, Ray.
dock
Where
me.
you at? Where you at?
What?
Love that lad.
How did he?
Oh shit, I'm dead.
He broke.
Yeah. I love that.
I love
Wait,
it.
kill assist, let's fucking go.
Oh,
We
Oh.
lost. I'm not gonna
Yes,
lie,
we
boys.
lost,
It's my
no.
video. I've got no kills. That's a bit of a shit show.
You could literally like scrape his kneecap and he would just fall and die.
Oh yeah, I actually just missed 10
Oh,
shots there.
okay.
Watch that.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
someone clip that. Someone clip that.
Oh, someone stole a kill.
I,
Mel,
I thought you got that.
you
Sam.
saw that, didn't you?
Sam, did you get Clash? Why'd you get Clash?
Because I wanted all the shield off already. I think that'd be obvious.
Nah, that's a good point.
Like,
I just
don't say
farted in my
sorry.
mouth, basically.
Okay, where are they?
He's a goat, man.
Josh, watch that.
Wait, he does a dash. Is that what he does?
I really
Big
wouldn't
players.
get
Today's kill of the game, lads. Let's
Sorry,
friggin' go.
guys.
Let's friggin' go, gamers.
Oh,
Oh my god, no. Like, watch this, watch this.
I just wasted my money on Ying. My renown, sorry. And I'm really pissed off about it.
Don't chat shit about my girl.
like-
I'll follow you, I'll follow
Got no
you.
ammo left. Now I died.
Yeah, I told you Castle would die. We think we got this, we got this.
Oh yeah, round that corner, yeah.
I'm coming up. I'm coming up.
Shout, bud.
Not
Shout,
my
bud.
actual.
Oh! Pre-fire,
Where
that's
you
the aim
going?
of the
Where you
game.
Josh is my saviour. Yeah, there's another one
Oh.
round that corner, Josh.
That's
that
easier
not?
to work with.
It's not.
Oh my god, they're in here.
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Boys.
god, I am
Oh.
sick.
Don't take my credit, fam.
See these strats?
You'll
Look
see-
at that. Bam. They were right now. I was like, yeah, no.
You'll see this,
Right in
guys.
the ass.
You saw Will gameplay, so my. Leave in the comments below who you thought is the ultimate pro.
Yeah.
Oh shit, someone here.
Wait. Yeah, but then
There's someone there.
if you search Avatar Miner Paintball, that's what your game is actually called. Theirs is called Red.
Videos.
This is the main hall. I
Yes.
haven't got a drone anymore.
Yes.
Wow.
I get the kill anyway. I don't know. I'm not
Oi, Sam, see
resented.
if my guy's still down. He's behind the table, would you?
No, I'm not.
Where's Summer?
Let's go. Drone into the room. Drone into the room.
I am in the
Need to
room,
see.
man.
No, go into that, yeah, and then behind to that corner. Damn, he's alive.
I'm not getting my drone killed for you.
I mean, I've seen.
You he would get the kill anyway.
I know I didn't get the kill.
No, someone get it.
No,
Oi,
personally. What does he want?
oi this. Watch
He's just
this.
electric.
Move, fam. Everyone move.
Oh, for God's sake, I was about to just kill it with a thingy. Oh my god.
Did you really think that would work? Oh no. Yeah, you got the kill. Because I just got 75 plus points.
Why is he not planting? I actually hate
That didn't
him.
work.
In it, son. That worked a charm.
There might be someone there,
Didn't it?
so.
Who's there? I'm gonna shoot in the back of the head if you're not careful.
Why is he not planting?
Kid laying behind the table.
We're behind it, yeah.
Yes!
Oh,
That was a tutorial, guys, on how you get a ranked win. We'll have one more episode, one more gameplay with Alfred, so the standard may drop a little bit, but sorry for that.
Blue front.
I want to.
Am I being retarded or some shit? Oh wait, Sam, I
oh,
got
I
it.
shouldn't have got out, should I? I'm such a melt.
Oh, I actually despise situations like these. I can't handle it.
I'm such
Come on,
an
Josh, you
idiot,
got
aren't
it.
I?
Big play.
Oh, they was in the window. Is it one in the window? They're both in the same place.
What, there?
Let's see if I can find them.
Oi.
Oh!
Oh!
Josh.
Ah!
That's
I killed, what's his name?
I'm on the list.
I killed Peter Pan, but then I couldn't get the other
Kill
one.
Peter.
Yeah, actually you look like Peter Pan, I'm not
Yeah.
joking.
yeah.
Oi, put in the chat Neverland.
People going through the same windows they did last time with smoke.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do something,
fine.
Sam.
I'll put a cap can on that.
Sam, I'm gonna do something. It may
okay.
result in my death, but we'll just rock and roll.
Oi! No, coming up the same place where I killed that
Boom.
guy.
Both of them are broken, okay. That's
On the hallway,
upsetting.
Alfie. On the hallway, Ash.
I'm just gonna stand there, not do anything. and
Yes,
just, you know,
Alfie. Get in there.
no.
Look at that biscuit.
Oh, all the cameras have been absolutely just. Is there an A?
Oi, Sam just.
What the?
shot.
I've literally just been wallbanged. And they didn't even know I was there.
Lovely, Josh.
Where
Diffuser.
Where is it?
Oh, it's
There.
over here.
He's
I'll do
outside?
it.
Where?
Oh, you
He's on
need
the
to-
top, he's on the top, he's on the top, he's on the top.
No, Sam's got this.
You got this, Alfie, you got this, Alfie.
I'll
Yes!
do it. Bloody.
Was that my cap can?
There's a grenade.
Shit. Get down, get down.
Oh, he broke my buddy. Finger, what a melt.
Oh my god.
Everybody heard what Will said.
Oh my
No, I don't
god.
think so. Yeah, he was a bit quiet, but he. No,
Wait,
Will.
someone down the corridor, and I was about to get interrogation. Get down that corridor and then turn right, but be careful.
Oh, there's a thingy. There's a miney thing. There's a.
Don't go through the door. Just wait it out, guys. Guys, wait it out. Wait it out. Don't rush.
I'll just. kill
Alfie,
him.
wait it
I
out.
could bomb that wall.
Yeah, I don't, because that's just a route in. Just, it don't really matter about the
Oh, you
kills,
got one.
really. Just, you can now.
Probably
You
won't
can now.
be
You can
close.
now. Yeah. He might have left, to be honest. Yeah, probably has.
He's doing a fat dip.
Shit!
He hasn't left.
Will,
All
where
right.
is he?
Yeah, he went
He's
blind.
chilling round, all the way round corner.
Yeah.
All the way round.
Just shoot, Alfie. Left, right. Oh my god.
You said it all the way around the corner.
Wait out,
Oh,
No,
wait
yeah.
out.
there's two corners.
Wait
I'm just
out.
sitting there.
Don't-
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Sam, don't rush.
What
Just,
was
if he
that?
plants, Sam,
Wait,
Sam, if he
he's got
plants,
the
then rush. If he plants, then rush.
But I don't think he's got the diffuser, has he? He can't plan in time.
Shite.
Oh,
shit.
thanks for that. Where is he?
Right, somewhere.
Oh, he's on his drone. Not cool. He'll be in there.
Oh my god, he's thrown Sam. Sam, big play. Big play, Sam.
Did I do it? I don't even know if he's dead.
He's dead,
Yeah,
fam.
he's dead.
Mate, you
Fucking
wouldn't be
not dead.
diffusing this diffuser for that long if he was alive.
Ah, no
It's-
one.
The camera is dead. The camera is taking
Someone's
an
dead.
L
That's another
in the
kill.
chat.
What's
Oi.
the kill? What's the kill?
I've been spotted. Where
No one
then?
on stairs. Another camera. About to get sniped from miles out.
Where
Oh,
then?
someone on stairs. Okay, someone just run away. She could have headshot them. Didn't want to. Oh, yeah, someone here. Someone next to me on top of the stairs. Top of the stairs. I'm not gonna have fun here.
Oh yeah, I'll get him. I'll get him.
He's dead. Right, they're being the base. Anyone in that room, Josh?
I'm about to find out, lad. That's fine.
Oh, another. Oh, don't
shit,
try and
get
blow
back.
him out. He's moved away.
In here?
Moved away because of the woods.
Someone shot in
Oh
here.
yeah, in this room.
Oh,
Oh,
Will.
back of here. In there. Someone's gonna try and flank us, I think. In
He's
here.
not dead or some
Josh,
shit.
Josh, if you blow it up.
No,
blow it
no,
up,
no.
Blow it up. Oh, someone trying to wall bang me.
Yeah, got
Someone
him.
there. Someone right next.
Go on.
Oh shit.
Still someone there.
Oh, yeah.
Josh,
Josh, on your left, on your
Josh,
left.
in the doorway, right, left.
On your left. You tried to kill me, you should have got him there.
Die!
Go in. Where?
He's on the
Oh
left,
yeah,
I
just here,
think.
Josh.
I mean, on your right, on the right behind
And I
you.
hit him quite a bit, so I think
Yeah,
it's
I'm-
quite low.
Oh, he's going round, Josh. Just behind you.
Let's
Oh,
go, Josh.
Have I fused into this room, or is it fine?
Someone in
Sam?
this room, Alfie. Alfie.
Where?
Josh, now. Josh now.
Oh shit, I knocked Alfie.
I'll cover.
Right,
I'll
Lock
cover.
the door.
I'll watch this.
I'm blocking the door. Oh, there's them is camera
Sure.
guy. Camera guy's here. He's my enemy.
I'll get it. I'll fuse here.
Don't you?
No, I won't.
Oh, Echo.
I shoot it. I can't shoot it.
No, stop.
You go first.
Oh, dear.
Go on the way out.
Oh, someone here. One more. Oh, he's trying to blow me up. Want to go? Yeah, you're not
Oh, we've
going
not
to
got
do
the
that, are you?
diffuser.
Oh, shit.
He's
You
still
got
here. He's still
diffuser?
here. He's still here.
You've got a faster gun now if you want to.
Whoa. Oh.
What, shall I go get it?
Well, maybe we'll. In the wall, he's wall banging.
I'm being shot.
Shall I,
Wall,
shall I
wall
blow a
bang.
wall?
Do
Yeah,
I
yeah.
go?
Yeah, go through there,
Shall
go
I
through
blow a
there.
wall?
Yeah, I'll protect you.
Oh, there's
Sam,
someone
you
right
wanna-
round the door.
Sam, move away from the
Just
wall.
behind the door.
Sam, move.
Not that wall. Sam.
Where's one would you go?
Sam,
We're
you're literally
thermiting
where
there.
I'm going to blow it up.
Oh my god. Why?
Yeah, because we want to get in.
There's one in the wall and there's one
Where?
just behind this door. There was just one just behind that door. I tried to shoot him. He's right in that fat hole. Oh.
Nice.
How did I get shot?
Cool.
That means so.
Yes,
Any
sir.
of those-
Yeah. Oh, your headshot as
saw
How
well.
do I
Headshot.
get back in?
I'll guide you, Will. Go up. You just go up there.
Oh,
Go right. Go
Oh,
right.
Sam,
shot him.
you're-
Right there.
Oh,
Right
no.
there.
Through it.
No, behind you.
Somebody careful,
Stairs.
someone's still in
Yeah,
that
I
room.
knew it was gonna
Then you
kill
have to
me.
break that window on your right and jump out the
They've
window.
got too many
Okay,
trap
cool.
people now.
Yeah, you go there. Oh, it's over. Never mind. Yeah. Alright, I'll drone in.
No one. Anyone in closet?
Oh no, there is.
No one in closet. No one in closet.
Yes, Alfie, well
Got
done.
him.
Oh yeah, another one in the doorway.
Wait,
Another one in
Will,
the
I'm gonna
doorway.
need some
Oh,
adrenaline.
Sam, you go to that big door. Go to that big door.
Please.
Wait, behind.
He's coming.
Behind.
Melt's coming right.
Behind.
He's now left. He's down the middle. Oh no.
Wait, behind you, Sam.
Oh, someone to our right.
Got him?
Oh,
Yes, nice,
you are
Josh.
Mel, aren't
No
you,
shot,
Mel?
wait. This isn't in the objective.
Still here, bro. Still where marking. Right on me.
Nice,
Oh, shit.
Josh.
Thank you.
Oh, easy dub, boys. Alright, so, 2 games, 2 dubs. That was 4 dubs, but 2 dubs. We've thank you to Sam, Will and Alfie for the dedication of Ranked. And
Metal Leap, man.
au revoir.